Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions. So let's discuss homework answers first. Exercise 14b, in that fifth question, arrange the given fractions in descending order of magnitude in that third one, 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 9 by 11. So you will get the answer 9 by 11 greater than 5 by 7 greater than 3 by 8. This is the descending order of the given fractions. Okay, next is sixth question. It is arrange the given fractions in the ascending order of magnitude. This is sixth question. In that second one, 5 by 6, 2 by 7, 8 by 9, 1 by 3. So you will get the answer 2 by 7 less than 1 by 3 less than 5 by 6 less than 8 by 9. Okay, this is the ascending order of the given fractions. Next, third one, 2 by 3, 5 by 9, 5 by 6, 3 by 8. So ascending order, you will get 3 by 8 less than 5 by 9 less than 2 by 3 less than 5 by 6. Okay, next, eighth question, insert the symbol equal to, greater than or less than between each pair of given fractions below. In that third one, 56 by 64, 7 by 8. You will get 56 by 64 equal to 7 by 8. That two fractions are equal. Okay. Next, 5 by 12, 8 by 33. So 5 by 12 is greater than 8 by 33. Okay, the symbol used is greater than. Next topic, fundamental operations on fractions. So we are going to study the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. So first topic, addition and subtraction. So exercise 14c, add the following fractions. First question, 1 3 by 4 and 3 by 8. So here you need to add two fractions, 1 3 by 4 and 3 by 8. Okay. So 1 3 by 4. If any of the fraction is given in mixed form, you can convert it into improper fraction. Okay. This is 1 3 by 4 is mixed fraction. So first convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. You know how to do that. Okay. 1 into 4. 4 plus 3. It is 7 by 4. 1 3 by 4 on converting to improper fraction, you will get 1 into 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Okay, now in order to add two fractions, its denominator should be same. Okay, here 7 by 4 and 3 by 8 denominator is different. So make the denominator same by taking LCM of denominator. Okay, denominators different ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് സെയിം ആക്കണം. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ സെയിം ആക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ LCM ആണ് കാണേണ്ടത്. Okay, LCM of the denominators. That is LCM of 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 you will get 8. Next step, make the denominator of the fraction equal to this LCM. Okay, so first fraction 7 by 4. Make the denominator 4 equal to the LCM 8. So you know 4 into 2 you will get 8. So 7 also you multiply by 2. You will get 14 by 8. Okay, next fraction 3 by 8. 8 denominator and LCM is equal here. Okay, 8 is the LCM. So no need to change this fraction. 3 by 8 itself you can write. So 14 by 8 and 3 by 8 you add first. 14 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So you got two fractions whose denominator is same. Okay, so you can add that two fractions. How will you add two fractions whose denominator is same? Just add the numerator. Denominator same ആയിട്ടുള്ള രണ്ട് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ സെയിം തന്നെ കൊടുക്കാം, 8 തന്നെ ഇടാം. സോ 14 by 8 plus 3 by 8, it is 14 plus 3 by 8. Okay, add the numerator and put the same denominator. So you will get 17 by 8. Okay, now numerator 17 you can divide by 8. This is a proper fraction, so you can, improper fraction, so you can divide. Okay, improper fractions answer vanna divide ചെയ്തിട്ട് അത് mixed fraction ൽ വേണം answer ഇടാൻ. So 17 on dividing by 8 you will get 2 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So how will you convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction? First write the quotient, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 8. 2 1 by 8 is the answer. Second one, 2 by 5 plus 2 3 by 15 plus 7 by 10. So here one mixed fraction is coming, 2 3 by 15. So convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, so 2 by 5 plus 2 3 by 15. On converting to mixed improper fraction, what you will get? 15 into 2 30, 30 plus 3 33 by 15. Okay, plus 7 by 10. Now here 3 fractions you got whose denominators are different. So make the denominator equal by taking the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 5, 15 and 10. 5, 15 and 10 you can divide by 5. You will get 1, 3, 2. Now 3 you can divide by 3. So 1, 1, 2. 2 you can divide by 2. 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is 5 into 3 into 2. 5 into 3 15. 15 into 2 30. Okay. Next step is make the denominators of the given fractions equal to this LCM. So 2 by 5 denominator make it equal to the LCM, that is 30. So 5 into 6 you will get 30. So 2 also you multiply by 6. 2 into 6 it is 12. Okay. Next 33 by 15. So make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 15 into 2 you will get 30. So 33 also you multiply by 2. You will get 66. Okay. Next fraction 7 by 10. Make the denominator equal to the LCM 30. So 10 into 3 you will get 30. 7 also you multiply by 3. You will get 21 by 30. Okay, now you got 3 fractions whose denominator are same. Okay, so you can add that 3 fractions. So 12 by 30 plus 66 by 30 plus 21 by 30. Okay, 12 by 30 plus 66 by 30 plus 21 by 30. Now adding these 3 fractions, you can add the numerators. 12 plus 66 plus 21 by, put the denominator same, by 30. Okay. Now 12 plus 66 plus 21 it is 99 by 30. 99 by 30. You can reduce this fraction. This will go in 3. You will get 33 by 10. Okay. Now 33 by 10 you can convert this to mixed fraction. 33 by 10 is an improper fraction. So 33 by 10. 10 into 3 30. You will get the remainder 3. So converting this to mixed fraction, what you will get? First write the quotient, then remainder by divisor. So 3 by 10. This is the answer. Third question, 1 7 by 8 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4. So 3 fractions are in mixed form. You have to convert this to improper fraction first. Okay. So 1 7 by 8. 8 into 1 8. 8 plus 7 it is 15 by 8. Okay, 15 by 8 plus next fraction 1 1 by 2. 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus next 1 3 by 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Okay, now you got 3 improper fraction. 15 by 8, 3 by 2, 7 by 4. Here denominators are different. So next step is make the denominators same by taking LCM of denominator. Okay, so LCM of denominators 8, 2 and 4. You can find 8, 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. You will get 4, 1, 2. Now 4, 2 you can divide by 2. You will get 2, 1, 1. Again 2 you can divide by 2. So you will get 1, 1, 1. So there, what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2, you will get 8. Okay, so first fraction 15 by 8. Denominator is 8, that is equal to LCM. So no need to change that fraction. You can write 15 by 8 itself. Next fraction 3 by 2. Denominator you have to make it equal to the LCM, that is 8. 2 into 4 you will get 8. So 3 also you multiply by 4. 3 into 4 it is 12. Okay, so 12 by 8. Next fraction 7 by 4. Denominator you should make it equal to the LCM, that is 8. Now 4 into 2 you will get 8. So 7 also multiply by 2. 7 into 2 it is 14 by 8. So you have 3 fractions whose denominator is same. 15 by 8, 12 by 8 and 14 by 8. So add that 3 fractions. 15 by 8 plus 12 by 8 plus 14 by 8. So denominators are same. You can add the numerators. 15 plus 12 plus 14 by 8. So 15 plus 12 plus 14, it is 41 by 8. Now 41 by 8 is an improper fraction. You can divide 41 by 8. 8 into 5, 40. Remainder you will get 1. Okay, so converting this to mixed fraction, write the quotient first 5, then remainder by divisor 5, 1 by 8. This is the answer. Second question, simplify. In that first one, 111 by 12 minus 13 by 16. So here subtraction is coming. 111 by 12. This is in mixed fraction, mixed form. So first convert this to improper fraction. So what you will get? 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 11, 23 by 12 minus 13 by 16. So if you want to subtract two fractions, then make the denominator same. Okay, denominator here it is different. So make the denominators same by taking the LCM of the denominator. That is LCM of 12 and 16 you can find. 12, 16 you can divide by 2, you will get 6, 8. 6 and 8 you can divide by 2, 3, 4. 3 you can divide by 3, so 1, 4. 4 you can divide by 2, 1, 2. 2 divide by 2, so 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. You will get 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 4, 48. Okay. So first fraction, you can take 23 by 12. Make the denominator equal to this LCM, that is 48. Okay. 12 into 4, it is 48. So 23 also you multiply by 4. So you will get a 92. Okay, 92 by 48 is the new fraction. Next fraction 13 by 16. Make the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 48. Okay, so 16 into 3 you will get 48. So 13 also you multiply by 3. 13 into 3 it is 39. Okay, so now you got two fractions whose denominator are same. So 92 by 48 minus 39 by 48 you can do. So 92 by 48 minus 39 by 48, here denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerators. you will get 92 minus 39 by 48. Okay, 92 minus 39, it is 53. 53 by 48. 53 by 48 is an improper fraction. So divide 53 by 48. You will get 48 into 1, 48. Here remainder you will get 5. So converting 53 by 48 to mixed fraction, you will get, first write the quotient, that is 1. Now remainder by divisor. So 5 by 48. So this is the answer. 1 5 by 48. Third one, 2 5 by 7 plus 3 by 14 minus 13 by 21. So here this is given in mixed form, 2 5 by 7. So first convert this to improper fraction. 2 5 by 7. Converting this to improper fraction, what you will get? 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19 by 7. Okay. Plus 3 by 14 minus 13 by 21. Okay. Now here denominators are different. 7, 14 and 21. So make the denominators same by taking the LCM of denominators. Therefore LCM of 7, 14 and 21. You can find 7, 14 and 21. You can divide by 7. So 1, 2 and 3. Now 2, 1, 1, 3. 3 you can divide by 3. So 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 7 into 2 into 3. You will get 42. Okay. So first fraction, you can take 19 by 7. 19 by 7, make the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 42. So 7 into 6 you will get 42. 19 also you multiply by 6. Okay, you will get 114. 19 into 6, it is 114. So 114 by 42. Next fraction, 3 by 14. 14, make the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 42. So 14 into 3, it is 42. So the numerator also you multiply by 3. 3 into 3, it is 9. So 9 by 42 you will get. Next 13 by 21, make the denominator equal to the LCM. 21 into 2, it is 42. So 13 also you multiply by 2. 13 into 2 you will get 26. So the fraction is 26 by 42. Okay, now you got 3 fractions whose denominators are same. Now 19 by 7, in place of that you can substitute 114 by 42. Okay, 114 by 42 plus next 3 by 14, in place of that 9 by 42. Next minus 13 by 21. So minus, in place of 13 by 21 you can write 26 by 42. Okay, 26 by 42. Now you can add and subtract. The denominators are same, so you can add or subtract the numerator. So 114 plus 9 minus 26 divided by 42. Denominator you can write the same. Okay, so 114 plus 9 minus 26, you will get 97 by 42. Now 97 by 42, this is an improper fraction, so you can divide. 97 by 42, 42 into 2, it is 84. You will get 13 as remainder. So converting this to mixed fraction, you will get 2. First write the quotient, then remainder by divisor. That is 13 by 42. Fourth question, 3 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 1 by 2. Okay, so 3 5 by 6 and 1 1 by 2. These are mixed fractions. So you can convert these to improper fraction. Okay, so 3 5 by 6. On converting to improper fraction, 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. Okay, minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 12 into 1 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 12. Okay, now here denominator 6 and 12. So LCM of 6 and 12, it is 12. You will get 12 only. Now make the denominator of these fractions equal to this LCM. So 23 by 6, make the denominator equal to LCM, that is 12. Now 6 into 2 you will get 12. So 23 also you multiply by 2. So 23 into 2 you will get 46. So the fraction is 46 by 12. Next 1 by 6. Make the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 12. So 6 into 2 you will get 12. So 1 also you multiply by 2. 1 into 2 you will get 2. So 2 by 12 is the new fraction. Next 13 by 12, here denominator and LCM both are same. So write that fraction itself. No need to change that. You can write 13 by 12 itself. Okay. Now you need to subtract all the fractions. Here 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So in place of 5 by 6 or 23 by 6 you can write 46 by 12. This is its equivalent fraction. Okay. In place of 23 by 6 you can write 46 by 12. In place of 1 by 6 you can write 2 by 12. In place of 13 by 12 you can write 13 by 12 itself. Okay. Now subtracting 46 by 12 minus 2 by 12 minus 13 by 12. In the question it is given minus, that's why we are putting minus sign here. If it is plus means you need to put plus sign. Okay. Now subtracting. Here denominators are same, so you can subtract the numerator. So 46 minus 2 minus 13 by 12. 46 minus 2, it is 44. 44 minus 13 you will get 31 by 12. Okay. Now 31 by 12, this is an improper fraction, so you can divide 31 by 12. 12 into 2, it is 24. Remainder you will get 7. So converting 31 by 12 to mixed fraction, you will get, first write the quotient, that is 2, then remainder by divisor, 7 by 12. Okay, so 2 7 by 12 is the answer. Exercise 14C, first question, 4th, 5th and 6th do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.